Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, quick update on our olive oil project. You'll notice I'm not wearing the Santa hat today because my hair looks way too good to put on a Santa hat for once. So I'm leaving it off because I want to maintain this hairstyle. However, I do have my decorative scarf, which tells you that this is an update for our olive oil project. I want to tell you guys we are up to $11,100, which is amazing. You guys are the best. And I want to give a special shout out. So I'm just going to say thank you, anonymous donor. I absolutely appreciate it. We're just over the moon with the amount of support and love you guys are giving to Santa Dominica Talau and our little mill project. So we will continue to bring you updates. I'm putting up some little special things on the channel, which are like, you know, a little trip through Maratea and stuff like that. So when you come to Southern Italy, when you come to Santa Dominica Talau, you can put these on your radar for things to see when you're there. So thanks again, you guys. Please have a wonderful Christmas season, and we'll be checking in with you pretty much daily until we get on a plane and head back to Italy. So see you soon.